Welcome back to Channel 5 News at noon. Your time is 12:23. Lots of sunshine and blue sky out there. This is a live look from Sky 5 this afternoon in Weslaco. And you can see just a few clouds overhead, but really not a whole lot to limit that sunshine like they did yesterday. Temperatures are warming up as we speak. Started the day in the upper 40s, low 50s. Now we are in the low 70s here in Weslaco with a light east to northeast wind at 9 miles per hour. The rest of the valley looks a lot like this. The lower 70s in McAllen, Edinburgh, as well as Rio Grande City near 73 and 72, near 73 in Brownsville and Harlingen, 71 right now in Port Isabel. It's shaping up to be a very beautiful day, and it looks like the second half of the day is just going to get better. We're going to stay with low humidity out there, so it'll feel nice and comfy to just enjoy the day outside, especially maybe for a late day picnic. It looks like we'll have temperatures right around 78, and with light winds, it really isn't too bad out there, and you can actually enjoy your food instead of having to catch it as it flies away. We'll be at 67 degrees by 9 o'clock tonight, but notice that we start the night out mainly clear. Then the changes take place. We'll have a southeast wind that is going to pump in some moisture, and this is going into early tomorrow morning. Notice those clouds thicken up, and they're actually going to hang around tomorrow. There will be times of clouds, and then you may get some breaks to allow for some sunshine, and maybe even a few sprinkles from the clouds early in the morning. But for the most part, I think we are going to be on the dry side. We're calling it mainly dry. Then tomorrow night, the clouds kind of thin out, and then they thicken right back up going into Thursday. Again, another day where it's going to be partly sunny. Still warming up. We're not going to see that cold air last too much longer. The winds are going to shift and come out of the southeast, so it not only pumps in the moisture, but it brings warmer weather to the valley too. Looking at the setup across Texas, it is relatively clear out there, indicating high pressure is in place, stable air mass, and it keeps you rain free. Let's zoom out and take a look at the bigger picture. Looking over at the New England area, that is where that nor'easter continues to make its way up the eastern seaboard, bringing lots of sleet, rain, snow in some areas, definitely some gusty winds, and this will last at least through tomorrow before it continues its way to the north and east. Behind that, look at this. You can see that big dip from the ridge, but you can also see some pink there indicating like a mixture, but what's happening is high pressure continues to sink south from Canada into the central United States, so it's actually bringing some colder air into the central U.S. In fact, it looks like the temperatures over the next couple of days in this particular neck of the woods will be about 15 up to 30 degrees above average or below average for this time of year. Hastings this afternoon is at 22. It's 19 in Bismarck, 21 in Minneapolis, and down south we're even seeing some colder weather near Memphis. 36 degrees today, 57 in Houston, 73 in Brownsville, as well as Miami. So we're right there with South Florida this afternoon. Everybody is very envious, especially if they're up in the New England area. One of the best features that I like about the KRGV mobile app is the Doppler. So you can always kind of see exactly where the rain is headed. You can download the same app that I have on my phone with just go to your app store and search for KRGV weather and download it for free. Here we go, 78 today, followed by 59 tonight, 78 tomorrow with mainly dry conditions. Again, I can't rule out maybe a few sprinkles Wednesday and Thursday. By Friday, we're warming up to 83 degrees for St. Patrick's Day. We could even have a brief shower. Your rain chances are at 10%. It's actually going to start to be breezy Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're going to warm up from there. 86 by Sunday, and we go up to 88 degrees on Monday. Overnight lows will eventually get a bit warmer in the mid 60s after tonight. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Alan, back to you.